Hi everyone, Mason Down Plays right here, and today we're gonna react to EAS alarms of around the world. And I think EAS stands for emergencies. Oh no! Can you tell me what does EAS stands for in the comments, please? I need to know. Okay. And we're gonna react. Oh, and don't forget, one YouTuber reacted to this, and it's one of my favorite YouTubers. Okay, let me search that up. Okay, this YouTuber, just reacted to this. Okay, where is it? See? So yeah, and 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 his reaction is so powerful. This makes me feel I'm like the last person on. Yeah, so today I'm gonna react to these. Okay, if they make me scared or not. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go. Hector's Productions. Okay. Percent. Alright. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Warning. Loud noises. Whoa, this sounds like Silent Head. This sounds like Silent Head. What the heck? This sounds like Silent Head taking over the city. Whoa, this sounds like Silent Head taking over the city. Dang, I know I'm from United States, and if I hear this EAS alarm, I'll jump off my bed, quickly panic in my room. Like, I have heard this EAS alarm before. So yeah. And it actually scared me when I reacted to this sound. It was coming from the TV. It was a few years ago when I reacted to this, and I actually listened to his alarm. It first don't scare me, but now they scare me again. Okay, here we go. Okay, what's the next? Dang, this sounds like I can make a beat out of this, but this isn't scary for me. And I'm not from Canada. That's where they sell syrup. Want some syrup? Oh no! Sorry, I was laughing. This ES alarm. I don't know what to say. If there was an earthquake and I was in Japan, and I looked at this sounds like someone was playing the Super Mario Bros. Video game next to me on the Nintendo Switch. Yeah, so that's how they sound like this. Why is Japan earthquake? Nah, shit, tripping. Why did Japan make this EA alarm for earthquake? This sounds like a video game. Like, it sounds like someone was playing Super Mario Bros. Game or Sonic the Hedgehog and a Nintendo Switch next to me. And a couch. Okay, let's. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Oh God. This is so scary. This is so scary. It's so scary, but nothing scary. I'm just pretending I was scared. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I can make a beat of that. Oh, come on! Alright, here we go. What the? Is that what's SOL? Sound like is this the actually is this the EAS alarm that is so useful in the Gulf War of 1991? Oh my! Dang, why did they created this?
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! My grandpa just jump scare me, but this scene is so scary. Hey, Grandpa!
Yeah.
Hey, you wanna listen to this EAS alarm?
I heard it.
Yeah, this is so scary. This is so scary. Yeah, this is the Gulf War of 1991. See?
It's not scary.
But it sounds like it was scary.
An alarm right before they bombed Israel.
Nah, that's scary, bro. That's scary. Okay, moving on. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It just made me tingled. It just made me tingled. It just made me what the heck is this screen dot? Can someone be done or just? I went dumb. What the what the heck? Dude! Is that what they sound like in the Iron Dome? Whoa! This sounds like this sounds even worse than the Gulf War of Israel in 1991. What the heck? Okay, moving on. I'm gonna speed this up. Bud, be done. I don't know what's happening. Okay, here we go. Go forward. It's kind of short. That's what the Saudi Arabia use. Oh, here's a code. Oh! Whoa! This shot me in the air. Wait, did I hear some kids? Hang on. I hear some kids playing. I speed this up. Yeah, I can make a beat of this. Yeah. Oh! That sounds like the United States! That sounds like the United States siren head! Jeez! Is that what the United Kingdom listen to? And the iPhone? I mean, I don't have iPhone. I have a Samsung. But this is my grandpa's old phone. So yeah. No. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. time. What's happening? Michael! Can someone help me? Oh my god! Jeez, what the heck is that? What the heck? Stop. Stop. It's not even that scary. That is not scary. That is not that scary. Just stop. Stop. Dude, just stop. Okay. Oh. What the? Why is there voices? That's what they Mexico created EAS alarm and add a voice? What the heck? Again? Oh, again. Okay. Whoa! It sounds like someone's flatline, and it sounds like someone just cursed. Oh my god! That's what the Indians created. So can make it. Wait. Oh. Bro, that's what the Indians.
You're gonna scream, are you?
Nope.
Okay.
That's what the Indians created to just make the EAS alone just curse. What is the uncensored one? Then Indians will be done. No, they won't be done. No, they will be dead. Cause they will be doomed. Doomed. Okay. Bro, it sounds like some. Bro, this. I know I'm not from Norway, but this ES when Wubzzy just reacted to this ES alarm, he went nuts. He went yeah, he went like that. So yeah. Does that sound scary?
HR is your complete HR payroll.
Oh, come on, not another. Oh, wait, here we go. Sweden? Huh. This is nothing but not scary. Yo, what the? Yo, this sounds like a circus opening. This sounds like a circus. Here, let me just. Yeah, this sounds like a circus open. This sounds like a circus opening. Yo, what the? Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Germany doesn't sound that scary. But if these ES alarms scare you guys, comment down below if these are scary. South Korea. I know a TikTok there. We just. Oh, it's too big. It's too big. It's too big. Yes, awesome. Apparently, he went to jail for sexually assaulted a woman. I told my grandma's dad, maybe like yesterday, last night, or today. I don't know yet. Okay. Okay. Wubzzy! Man, I will forward mail to Brazil like you're going to Brazil. And then and after I followed them to Brazil, they will hear this you know, this EAS alarm like this. And they will go like Okay. Russia. What if we skip? Skip some more? Okay, I don't know. Whoa! It sounds like aliens are invading Chile. This sounds like aliens are invading Chile. What the? Whoa! That sounds like this too. It sounds like a 9/11 or something like that. Okay. Argentina. Wait. Okay. Argentina. Wait. This flag looks like Messi, my grandpa's favorite soccer player. But my favorite soccer player is now. Hi. Hello.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm recording the video.
Oh. What's your problem?
What's your problem, Mom? What's your problem? My voice. Oh God. This flag looks like Messi. My favorite soccer player is Ronaldo. Alright. Alright.
Saying crappy as minutes go on. What, babe? Gotta get some move though.
Oh shoot. This sounds like it's Arab. Oh my God. If I turn it up.
No, don't turn it up.
Well, what if I just do it? Okay, I give up. It sounds like earwrap. It hurts.
Turn that down.
Yes, it hurts my ears.
Yeah,
It really hurts my ears.
mine too.
Oh, come on, not the no ads. Okay.
We're old lady. I gotta go pee before I go out.
Whoa, when were we done? Okay, I'm done with this. I'm done with this EAS. I'm done. You go where? You go where? I don't know what to say. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Let's skip. We're almost done. I use our voices. You see, you hear that? It sounds like someone's whispering. Dang. Okay. Okay, done. Netherlands. Whoa! This flag looks like a Pepsi in France. 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 Yes.
Alright, let's stop since Salem's annoying.
Oh my god. Okay, this is a remark. Boy.
Hate that sound.
Just let me. Oh, we're almost done.
I'll beat you up.
Without picture too. Okay. Okay. Bulgaria old? Oh my. Dang. This is so old. This is cool? Oh my god, we're. My god. Dang. I don't know about that.
Have a little laundry where you put it in the dryer and put the other small
Dang.
because they couldn't fit it all. They couldn't fit it all.
Oh my god. Oh, alright, this is the last one. Wait. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's the actual.
Come
Well,
out.
well, I guess that's the end of the video since this is the outro. So yeah, like and subscribe for more. Bye. Have a good day. Oh, and like and subscribe for some more to help me get 100k subs so I can finally get verified. Anyways, like and subscribe. Bye.